Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change password on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is American stock exchange known for being a high-tech stock market. To change password on NASDAQ, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nasdaq.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of NASDAQ. Now, for the further process, you need to log into your account. To do that, click on the profile icon on top right corner. Then, continue the process of login. After you log into your account, click on the profile icon on top right corner. Then, click on account preferences option on first. With this, now here you can see account details. Click on edit option down password. Now to change password, you need to first enter your current password or your old password on the given box. With this, now here you need to enter the new password. Make sure you enter a strong password for your account. After that, you need to re-enter your new password on the given box. After doing so, now click on the option of save. With this, now your new password will be saved replacing your old password. This is how we can change password on NASDAQ. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.